If you're responsible for implementing Microsoft Copilot in your M365 environment, you're probably making the biggest decision of your career, at least so far. Copilot is so beneficial that you can't delay, and so powerful you can't afford to do it wrong. But Copilot needs absolutely clean and correctly secured data, or its strategic advice will be seriously corrupted. Guaranteed. The issue is that when formulating strategic advice, Copilot, by default, will consider every document that the current user has access to throughout the entire tenant. Every single document in Teams, SharePoint, their OneDrive, email, and of course this includes all the documents that have been shared with them. That is its default scope. The issue for most companies is that 65% of those documents are redundant, outdated, trivial, and incorrectly secured due to the rapid implementation of work-from-home strategies 4 years ago. The good news is you don't have to clean up that environment. You just need to alter Copilot's default scope before turning it loose. The strategy has 2 steps. First, you block Copilot from your entire tenant by applying a label that utilizes the new Block Content Analysis Services function via PowerShell. Then, for each department, create a new SharePoint site with a library and associated Microsoft team. Configure permissions for departmental employees and visitors using M365 groups, and manage site access through those groups. Then permit Copilot access in these areas. This approach establishes a safe zone for Copilot within each department. Using a product like ShareGate, an IT administrator sits down with a few departmental reps, and they identify the files that should be copied into the new environment. Copying the files rather than moving them preserves their original locations and links, so there is no disruption to normal daily operations. Depending on an organization's culture, some departments may transfer all their relevant documents and data to the new site and archive the legacy sites after a grace period for a fresh start. Others may use the environments as a secure zone for Copilot, transferring fewer documents and synchronizing the Copilot library with the legacy location. Synchronizing documents between the 2 environments helps maintain original locations and permissions while making appropriate documents accessible to Copilot. And here's the kicker. This is exactly the architecture Microsoft recommends. This structure, with an M365 group, a SharePoint site with a library, and a companion Microsoft team, is exactly what Microsoft had in mind when they designed Copilot. You're not reinventing anything. You're simply giving Copilot precisely what it expects. Bottom line is, with this approach, you're literally saving months of exhausting work, sidestepping complexity, eliminating legal headaches, and facilitating departments benefiting from Copilot in just days or weeks, not years. It's smart, practical, achievable, and it simply works. If you would like to learn more about this, we regularly host short executive sessions on how to move forward with Copilot without getting bogged down in cleanup. You're welcome to join us, or if you prefer, we would be glad to discuss the benefits of Copilot Safe Zones one-on-one. And thanks for watching.